Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on General Management. As you can see, on the second position we've got date and time, so let's enter. And here we've got actually only two options to choose from. We can decide if you want to use automatic date and time just like now, or if you want to set it manually. So if you want to do it, just tap on this switcher to turn off automatic date and time. And as you can see, the time zone, date and time options are immediately active, so we can now freely tap on it. For example, the time zone, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available time zones, so simply find the one you want to use and tap on it in order to apply it immediately. As you can see, it is applied. What's more, of course, you can set the date, so just tap on it, and from the calendar you can choose the date you want to use, for example this one, tap on done, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. Now let's set the time, so let's tap on it, and here by swiping you can choose the time you want to use. Tap on done. As you can see, it is immediately applied also on the status bar. What's more, you can decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Now we are using 24-hour format, but if you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, it immediately applies to the status bar also. So now, in order to get back to all previous settings, so to use 24-hour format and to use automatic date and time, simply tap on those switchers to turn on those options. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.